Interagency Committee, we already convened this before during the oil spill in Mindoro. And we're just doing the same thing now because we have made this the standard operating procedure of the DOJ to make sure that these things are not neglected or ignored by the government. So we brought everybody together. And we have significant findings today, which we will reveal in due time.
Pero sir, itong significant findings na ito, are these enough to file complaints na po?
Yes, definitely. We're not talking about an accident here. We're talking about a crime. A crime was committed against our people and our environment.
Sir, isang specific incident lang po ba to or yung all three po na
All
incident?
three are interconnected, we believe. The first two vessels especially. First two vessels.
Okay. Sir, katulad po ba nun dati, wala pong kumbaga sasantuhin itong investigation?
Wala tayong pakakawala dito. And I think that the people of Cavite deserve better.